Hello students, in today's biology class, you will learn about interdependence between organisms. So let's start with interdependence. Many living things interact with other organisms in their environment. In fact, they may need other organisms in order to survive. This is known as interdependence. For example, food chain involves producers, consumers and decomposers. Without the producers, the consumers would not be able to obtain their food. So it means in an ecosystem, the organisms which are living together, they interact with each other and they are interdependent on each other for their food. So based on the interaction between the organisms, there are three types of interactions. First, symbiosis, second, parasitism, and the third is predation. First, see what is symbiosis. Symbiosis, its literal meaning is the act of living together. So we can say two organisms that live together temporarily or for a longer time, at least one of the organism benefits from this relationship, and it is a mutual relationship between two different organisms in which one of the or both the organisms can be benefited. In simple words, symbiosis is a relationship that exists between two organisms. The examples are the birds and insects that feed on floral nectar have a symbiotic relationship with these flowers. In return, they get nectar in the form of food, and instead they help with pollination by transferring pollen from one flower to another. So in this relationship between the birds, insects and flower, the birds and insects both are benefited and the flower is also benefited by the help of pollination. Similarly, another example of sea anemone and clownfish, which protect each other from their enemies. Now the next interaction is parasitism. Parasitism, it's a close relationship between species where one organism, the parasite, lives on or inside another organism, that is the host, causing it some harm and is adapted structurally to this way of life. In this, the organism which lives on the body of another organism is called parasite, and the organism which provides the shelter to another organism is called host. And the parasitic organism can live on the body of the host or inside the body of the host. In this case, it's not necessary that both the organism can be benefited. In this, one organism is in harm. Example, the malarial parasite, that is Plasmodium, it needs an intermediate host, that is a mosquito, to spread the malaria to other host. Another example is lice are another type of parasite. They live off the blood of host animal, means they are depend on the blood of the host animal for their food. So these are the two examples of parasitism. Now the last interaction is predation. Predation is when an organism captures and feeds on other organism. In predation, two things are needed. One is predator, another one is prey. Predator is the hunter, means the bigger animal which captures the smaller animals, and the prey, that is that is being hunted. Prey, the smaller animal which are being captured and eaten by the another organism. You can see in the picture also predation, how the bigger animal is capturing the smaller animal. Bigger one is called as predator and the smaller one is called as prey. Another example is the tiger and the deer provide a good example of predation. Now this is about the interactions between the organisms. Now the last topic is flora and fauna of forest ecosystem. Flora is the plants naturally occurring in an particular area, and fauna, the animals naturally living in that area. So this is the last topic of your chapter 4, ecosystem. For more detail, just go through your textbook and complete the exercise questions in your notebook. Now today's homework. Explain different types of interactions found between the organisms with example. Question number 2. Define flora and fauna. In the first question, that is explain different types of interactions found between the organisms with example. In this you will explain all the 3 types of interactions, and the example which is given in the textbook, either you will write that one or whatever I have shown you in this video, that also you can write. Thank you.